Hello, my name is Triomi. How are you? Let's do a bit of review about fractions. You all know what similar fractions are, right? They are fractions with the same denominators like 2/4 and 1/4, or 1/3 and 2/3. These are similar fractions. When we add similar fractions, we just add the numerator and retain the denominator like this. 2/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 3/4, or 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 3/3 or 1. Easy? But what about when you meet fractions that have different denominators? For example, 2/4 plus 2/3 or 1/4 plus 1/3. We call these dissimilar fractions since they have different denominators. Remember that the first rule in adding fractions is that we can only add them if their denominators are the same. So what do we do with dissimilar fractions? How do we add them up? Simple. We have to find the common number for their denominators. This common number is called the least common denominator, or LCD. How do we do that? Okay, let's try to add 2/4 and 2/3. We know we cannot add them since they have different denominators, 4 and 3. So what we need to do is to find their common denominator. Here's how we do it. First, we deal with 4 and try to list down its multiples. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. Then, we list down the multiples of 3. These are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. We see that among the numbers listed, 12 is the smallest number that is common to both 3 and 4. So, we need to write 12 as the denominator for both fractions. To do this for our first fraction, we need to divide 12 by the original denominator 4, then multiply this by the numerator 2. We then get 6 as our new numerator. We now have 6 12s as our first fraction. We do the same for the second fraction. 12 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 8. 8 now becomes our new numerator, and with 12 as a denominator, our second fraction now becomes 8 12s. We can now add the fraction 6 12s plus 8 12s. This will give us 14 12s. Always remember to express your answer in its lowest term. So 14 12s becomes 1 and 1/6. Did you get it? What we did was to simply turn dissimilar fractions into similar ones so we can add them up. Okay then, here's a math problem for you to practice on. See if you can solve this. Alice and Jasmine went on a picnic. Alice brought a buko pie with her because she knows that Jasmine loves buko pie. Jasmine brought egg pie because Alice loves egg pie. They found a good spot where they can sit and started to eat the pies. Alice ate 3/8 of Jasmine's egg pie. Jasmine, on the other hand, ate 5/6 of Alice's buko pie. How much total pie did the two friends eat? Can you solve this problem? Come on, get your pencils and paper and try solving this problem on your own. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets.